today we are going to be making some clear slime. It's my favorite slime, so let's get started. I'm back. So I have contact lens solution, Arm & Hammer baking soda, Elmer's clear glue. I have green food coloring, a bowl, and a spatula. So first, let's start off by adding in some of our clear glue. I'm so excited for this because I love clear slime. Okay guys, so I had to get a different bottle because this bottle, it didn't have any more in there, so I'm just gonna toss that. So now we're gonna actually be adding in our glue. That should do. And so now we're just gonna be adding in about 4 drops of my green food coloring. And the reason why I'm adding in 4 is because I've made this slime before with the same exact color, and it turned out a really nice green. So I'm just gonna mix it until it's all evenly divided. Look. And so now it's all the way mixed in. And so I'm just gonna add in some of my contact lens solution and some of my baking soda. And you wanna do this in little bits at a time so that you don't over-activate your slime. Because if you do, then you'll end up having to add in some lotion. And it'll fix it, but I don't think you would wanna do that. And so you're just gonna give it a good mix. Okay, so mine is almost done, but I need to add in some more. And the way that you can tell that your slime is done being activated is if it starts coming off of the edges of whatever you're making in it. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit more activator. See, mine is just starting now. And that's what you want to happen. This this green is very nice. It's still not coming off like I want it to, so I'm going to add in a little bit more. And sometimes if you activate your slime more than once, then you can just add in a contact lens solution just sometimes, and then that'll activate it enough. Yeah, so mine is definitely thickening up because I can see it coming off of the sides, and it's getting a little bit hard to mix, and that is exactly what you want. And so now mine is very stretchy, and so I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna activate it one more time because I absolutely hate sticky slime. And yeah, so one more activation, and that should do. Okay, I finished activating it, and so now it's very stretchy and it's pokey. It's very, very stretchy and it's very pokey, and I love the color, so I would give this slime